In this video, we're going to systematically explore the 15 possible 16th note groupings you will encounter. By the end, you will be able to instantly recognize and confidently play every single one. Struggling with complex rhythms? Try this simple trick. If you can say it, you can play it. Using your voice is the fastest way to internalize the beat. All the symbols we learn in the 8th note grid lesson will also be used in this one as well. Vocalizing the rhythms involves 4 syllables in the 16th note grid, as there are 4 16th in a quarter note. We shall use 3 syllables only. Ta is the attack of the note. A is the duration, used if the note is longer than a 16th note. Stands for rests. We shall sing the rests too. Failing them is not good enough. 1 note per beat. These are the 4 patterns where only a single 16th note is played. A quarter note is sung ta. An offbeat 8th note is sung ta. Ta, 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 ta. These are the 6 patterns with 2 notes. Ta 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 ta. The triples, 3 notes per beat. These are the 4 patterns with 3 notes. Ta 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 ta. Mastering all these groupings turns sight reading into rhythm recognition. Instead of counting every time, your brain will see the pattern and immediately recognize its shape and sound. That systematic approach is the key to mastering rhythmic reading. When you can instantly recognize these 16th note possibilities, you gain 3 things. Reading speed. You read music faster because you're reading patterns, not individual notes. Improvisation. Your ideas become cleaner and more intentional because you know exactly where to place the notes. Group performance. You lock in with other musicians instantly, creating a cohesive professional groove. Instant rhythm test. Recognize the patterns. Let's put these benefits to the test with our rhythm recognition drill. Ta, 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. We've learned the 15 possibilities and we know the sight reading benefits. Now let's talk about the tool everyone loves and hates, the metronome. Here's your non-negotiable rule. You have no business practicing with a metronome until you can flawlessly recognize, name and vocalize all 15 of these patterns without your instrument. The biggest mistake musicians make with 16th notes is trying to speed up too fast. Remember, accuracy builds speed. You're better off playing a pattern perfectly at 60 BPM than playing it sloppily at 120. Set your metronome, focus on the 16th note grid and only increase the tempo by 2 to 4 BPM once you can play the rhythm flawlessly 3 times in a row. Be patient, you got this. Instant rhythm test. Recognize the patterns. Ta 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 bring these concepts into a musical context, I'll play a short piece of my own that applies the rhythmic ideas from this video. The notation is shown below. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to see more, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and most importantly, have fun.